How to transfer contacts from one Gmail to another. So if you want to transfer contacts from one Gmail to another, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Google Contacts application. Once you're under your Google Contacts, now you just need simply go and select your Google account and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that organize option. And here you need to scroll down and you will have an option to export. So tap on export to file and then select the account that you would like to export and tap on export, which is on the bottom right. And here you need to save this file. Once you've saved the file, now the other thing you need to do is tap on import from file. And now you need to select the contact in which you would like to import. So select the other Google account, and after that just tap on the contact file that you've just saved, and that's it. All the contacts will be imported. So that's how you can transfer contacts from one Gmail to another. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.